Hello all, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it. Crack GATE and ESE with India's largest learning platform. Get Plus subscription and access unlimited live and recorded courses from the India's best educators. Before going to start this, let me introduce myself. Myself Dhanashree Mam. I completed my MSc in Mathematics from Mumbai University and also having teaching experience of 13 years and mentored more than 10,000 plus students for the engineering. Here, how to enroll the Unacademy's learning app, or how to install the Unacademy's learning app. You can select your goal and take any subscription plan whichever suits to you. So I'm just going to tell you what you will get in this plan, or what you will get in this app. You will get the daily live classes, live test and quizzes, structured courses, unlimited access. You will get iconic subscription. For the iconic subscription, you will get a personal coach. What is the benefit of this personal coach? In this personal coach, you will get one-on-one guidance from the top exam experts as your personal coach. Align your preparation strategy and learning resources. Now your mains question and answer practice. Strengthen your mains answer writing through the regular practice with evaluation and personalized feedback. Now study tracker, you will get participate in a study tracker plan and study booster workshops. Evaluate your progress in bi-weekly reviews with personal coach. All benefits of Plus, you will get live classes from the top educators, mock test and quizzes, structured batch courses in the line with exam syllabus. You will get in a Plus subscription. In this Plus subscription, you will get daily live classes, chat with your educator, engage in discussions, ask your doubts and answer polls all while the class is going on. Live test and quizzes, evaluate your preparation with our regular mock test and quizzes and get detailed analysis on your performance. Now structured courses, you will get all your courses are structured in a line with your exam syllabus to help you the best prepare for it. Unlimited access, you will get one subscription gets you the access to all the live and recorded courses to watch from the comfort of your any devices. Now learn with the top educators. Here see Maruti Tiwari sir is here, Ankit Goyal sir is here, Sanchit Jain sir is here, Jaspal Singh is here. So you can learn with these top educators of Unacademy. They will help you to take your study to the next level. Okay. Now here GATE ESE, there are many branches and many courses are available for GATE ESE here. So there is every branch for GATE ESE. For the every branch there are lot of courses are available. Now Plus subscription, what is the main benefit of Plus subscription? You will get India's best educators, interactive live classes, you will get structured courses and PDFs, you will get live test and quizzes also you will get in the Plus subscription. In the iconic subscription, you will get India's best educators. So it means all the benefits of Plus. Here you will get interactive live classes, structured courses and PDFs, live test and quizzes you will get. Now, main important benefit of this iconic subscription, you will get personal coach, personalized test analysis, study planner and preparatory study material also you will get. Now see, if you are going to prepare for the GATE 2022, then I will suggest you go for the 12 months plan. It will cost you 30,250, but I'm going here I'm going to tell you the most important thing. If you want to 10% discount, then you can use my promo code here DSP to get the 10% discount on your subscription fees. Okay, so the same subscription plan cost you for 27,225 after discount. So I'm going to tell you here, this discount is only available for the limited period. So hurry up and enroll your know as early as possible. So say for the same, for iconic subscription, the 12 months plan is rupees 50,250. But the same plan you will get it after using my promo code DSP. The same plan you will get it in 45,225. So enroll today for this. Now see, the new batch alerts I will tell you here. Batch C involved for the GATE 2022 for the civil engineering is already started from the 25th of January, and you can use my promo code DSP for this plan. Now assign for the GATE 2023 for batch C. Here you can see the new batch alert here already started from the 25th of Jan, and use my promo code DSP to get the 10% discount. Similarly, evolve for the GATE 2022 for the chemical engineering. It is already started from 25th of January to involve in this batch. You can use my promo code DSP to get the 10% discount. Now new batch alert here, second year for GATE 2023 for mechanical engineering is batch C is already started from the 25th of January, and here for GATE to get the 10% discount on this, you can use my promo code DSP. Okay. Now, see, the batch is already started. Now, the new batch will spark for the GATE 2022 for the civil engineering. So, the batch will be start from 22nd of February to 2021. So, to enroll in this batch, you can use my promo code DSP to get the 10% discount to enroll in this batch. Okay, this batch is for English only. Now see, new batch alert for Ascent for GATE 2023 for the mechanical engineering batch C will be here already started. Now here Ascent for the GATE 2023 for the mechanical engineering. The batch will be start from 22nd of February. See here, 22nd of February the batch will start, and you can, to get enrolled in this batch, you can use my promo code DSP to get the 10% discount in this. Okay. Now, the Evolve for the GATE 2022 Mechanical Engineering Batch E will be start from the 22nd of February, and to enroll in this batch you can use my promo code DSP to get the 10% discount on your subscription fees. Okay. Now Mission DDR for GATE 2022. So that will be start from 22nd of February 2021. For you can use my promo code DSP to get the 10% discount to enroll in this batch C. Okay. Now see. Now let's start our actual topic. Okay. To start our actual topic, to solve any examples of limits. So you will get either 1 or 2 marks for these limits. In every question paper of GATE exam there are some examples on limits in calculus part. Okay, so here we will see, for that you must know what is the limit of log e is equal to 1. Log 1 is always 0. Log 0 is minus infinity. Log infinity is infinity. E raised to 0 is 1. E raised to infinity is infinity. E raised to minus infinity is 0. And limit as x tends to 0, tan x upon x is equal to 1. Limit as x tends to 0, a 1 plus x bracket raised to 1 by x is equal to e. And limit as x tends to 0, a raised to x minus 1 upon x is equal to log a. Limit as x tends to 0, e raised to x minus 1 upon x is log e. Limit as x tends to 0, 1 plus a upon x bracket raised to x is equal to e raised to a. So these are some basic concepts we have to remember for solving any examples of limits. Okay, now let's start here. See, so limit as x tends to 0, sin square x upon x is equal to. Okay, so to get this limit, we will use limit as x tends to 0. So what I will do? I will do sin x upon x bracket square. So for this, I am multiplying by x. Right? So limit as x tends to 0, sin x upon x bracket square is equal to 1. 1 into 0 is equal to 0. So for this, you will get limit 0. Okay. Now, the value of the function f of x, limit as x tends to 0, x cube plus x square upon 2x cube minus 7x square is. So, put limit as x tends to 0 in this. So, we will get 0 plus 0 upon 0 minus 0. So, which is equal to 0 upon 0 form. Okay, to get this limit, we will use the L'Hospital rule. So, use L'Hospital rule. Okay, so limit as x tends to 0, we will get f dash of x, that is 3x square plus 2x upon 6x square minus 14x, right? So limit as x tends to 0, here we will get 0 upon 0 form again, right? So limit as x tends to 0. So again we will use the L'Hospital rule. Again use the L'Hospital rule. Again use here L'Hospital rule. So you will get 3x square. So 6x plus 2, limit as x tends to 0, 6x plus 2 upon 12x minus 14. 6x plus 2 upon 12x minus 14. So limit as x tends to 0, you will get here 2 upon minus 14. So which is equal to minus 1 by 7. So the correct option is minus 1 by 7. Okay. Now let's move further here. So if f of x is equal to 2x square minus 7x, here is question number 3. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 upon 5x square minus 12x minus 9. Then limit as x tends to 3, f of x will be. Now so limit as x tends to 3. So use limit as x tends to 3. So 3 square. 2 into 3 square minus 7 into 3 upon plus 3 upon 5 into 3 square minus 12 into 3 minus 9. Limit as x tends to 3. 3 square is 9. 9 into 2, 18 minus 21 plus 3 upon 3 square is 9. 9 into 5, 45 minus 36 minus 9. So if you observe here 0 upon 0 form. So use L'Hospital rule. Use L'Hospital rule here. So we'll get 4x, limit as x tends to 3, 4x, 1 second, 4x minus 7 upon 10x minus 12. Limit as x tends to 3, 12. 12 minus 7 upon 10 into 3, 30 minus 12. 12 minus 7, 5, 30 minus 12, 18. 5 by 18. Yes, option B. Yeah. Now move further. Find the limit as x tends to 0, sin x upon x is equal to. Now without doing so, you will get 0 upon 0 form. Sin 0, 0, 0 upon 0 form. So use the L'Hospital rule. That is cos x upon 1 and cos 0 is 1. And we know that the formula for this also sin 0 upon limit as x tends to 0, sin x upon x is equal to 1. Okay. Now evaluate limit as x tends to 0, 1 plus kx square. Evaluate limit as x tends to 0. Here 1 plus kx square upon 1 minus cos x. So put limit as x tends to 0. 0. Log 1 is 0. Cos 0, 1. So 1 minus 1. So 0 upon 0 form. So you will get here 0 upon 0 form. Right? So use L'Hospital rule. So you can use here L'Hospital rule. So limit as x tends to 0. Log x. So 1 upon 1 plus kx square into derivative of kx square is 2kx. Upon 1 minus of minus x, so sin x. So which is nothing but limit as x tends to 0. 2kx upon 1 plus kx square into 1 plus sin x. Not 1 plus sin x, only sin x. Derivative of 1 is 0. Here only sin x. Now use limit as x tends to 0. So again here 0 upon 0 form. So again use the L'Hospital rule. You will get 2k upon derivative of u into v rule you can apply. First into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. 2kx into cos x. So put limit as x tends to 0. X is equal to 0. So this will become 0. Cos 0 is 1. So here is 1. X is 0. So this becomes 0. So 2k only. Okay. So the correct option is 2k. Now evaluate limit as x tends to 0. A raised to x minus 1 minus x log a upon x square. Okay. So limit as x tends to 0. A raised to x minus 1 minus x log a upon x square. So limit as x tends to 0, a raised to 0 is 1, 1 minus 0, here is 0, 0. So you will get 0 upon 0 form. Okay, so use L'Hospital rule. Use L'Hospital rule, you will get a raised to x log a minus 0 minus x into log a, so log a only. And this minus, so becomes plus upon 2x. Limit as x tends to 0. So a raised to 0, 1 log a plus log a. Here is log a upon log a plus log a. So you will get 2 log a upon 2 to get cancelled out upon 0. So again 0 upon 0 form. Minus log a. So you will get a raised to x log a minus log a upon 2x. Put x is equal to 0. A raised to 0 is 1. So log a minus log a upon 0. So 0 upon 0 form. Right? At 0 upon 0 form. So apply L'Hospital rule again. So you will get a raised to x log a. And log a is constant. So a raised to x into log a into log a. And plus a raised to x into 0. So log a raised to x log a square upon 2. A raised to x log a square upon 2, which is equal to a raised to 0 is 1. So log a square upon 2 is the correct option. Now evaluate limit as x tends to y, x raised to y minus y raised to x upon x raised to x minus y raised to y. Right? So we will use here limit as x tends to y. So y raised to y minus y raised to y. Y raised to y. Here you will get 0 upon 0 form. Right? So you are getting 0 upon 0 form. So use L'Hospital rule. So differentiating with respect to x. So limit as x tends to y. Here x raised to y, it means y into x raised to y minus 1 minus y raised to x into log y, a raised to x rule. So x raised to x, so that we don't know, x raised to x. So what we will do, let f of x is equal to, keep here, let f of x is equal to x raised to x. So taking log on both sides. So log of f of x log of x raised to x. So log of f of x is equal to x log x. Right? log of f of x is equal to x log x. So here derivative of this. So 1 upon f of x into derivative of f of x is f dash of x. So first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. So you will get 1 upon f of x. So f dash of x is equal to 1 plus log x into f of x. Right? But f of x, it means what? X raised to x. So f dash of x is equal to x raised to x into 1 plus log x. X raised to x into 1 plus log x. So this is the option. Now put x tends to y. So y raised to y minus 1 minus y raised to y into log y. Y raised to y into 1 plus log y. Y into y raised to y minus 1. So you will get y raised to y raised to 1 and y raised to y minus 1. So y raised to y. Take y raised to y common. 1 minus log y upon y raised to y into 1 plus log y. So this will cancel out. So the derivative limit of this function is 1 minus log y upon 1 plus log y. Okay. I hope you are getting it clearly. Now this is your f dash of x. Now let's move further. Now indeterminate form we will see of the limiting concept. Limit as x tends to a, f of x is equal to infinity, and limit as x tends to a, g of x is equal to infinity. Then limit as x tends to a, f of x upon g of x is in infinity upon infinity form, which can be determined as follows. Let L is equal to limit as x tends to infinity f of x upon g of x, that is infinity upon infinity form. So we can reduce this infinity upon infinity form into 0 upon 0 form. So we can adjust your f of x in this way, 1 upon g of x upon 1 upon f of x. And then by use the L'Hospital rule in this limit, we can evaluate. L'Hospital rule directly can be applied if it is in the infinity upon infinity form. So evaluate limit as theta tends to pi by 2 log of theta minus pi by 2 upon tan theta. Okay. So log of theta minus pi by 2. So let's see, log theta minus theta tends to pi by 2. So here log of 0, log 0 is infinity, right? So here, and tan 90 is also infinity. So infinity upon infinity form. So how we can write this? So use the L'Hospital rule. You will get by using L'Hospital rule, we get limit as theta tends to pi by 2, 1 upon theta minus pi by 2 into 1, derivative of theta. There is sec square of theta, right? So now put limit as theta tends to pi by 2. So 1 upon sec square of theta, it means cos square of theta. Limit as theta tends to pi by 2, cos square theta upon theta minus pi by 2. Now put the limit. Theta is equal to pi by 2. Cos 90 is 0. Now this will become 0 upon 0 form. Okay, now use the L'Hospital rule. By using L'Hospital rule, we get 2 cos theta into minus sin theta. Theta tends to pi by 2. Cos pi by 2. Cos 90 is 0. So 2 into 0 minus 1 into minus 1, which is equal to 0. Okay. So the value is 0. Evaluate limit as x tends to 0. Log of tan to the base tan x into tan 2x is limit as x tends to 0. We can write this as log tan 2x upon log tan x. That is infinity upon infinity form. So by using L'Hospital rule, limit as x tends to 0, 1 upon tan 2x into sec square 2x into 2 upon log tan x is 1 upon tan x into derivative of tan x is sec square, right? So we can use this as limit as x tends to 0. So 2 tan x, this tan x becomes in the numerator, 2 tan x into sec square 2x upon tan 2x into sec square x. So limit as x tends to 0, 0 upon 0 form. So we'll get limit as x tends to 0, 2 into tan x upon x into sec square 2x upon 2 into tan 2x upon 2x into sec square x. So limit as x tends to 0, tan x upon x is 1. So this becomes 1. 2 to get cancelled out, and sec 0 you will get 1, which is equal to 1. Limit is 1. Okay. Now evaluate the limit as x tends to a, log of x minus a upon log of a raised to x minus a raised to a. Okay, so L is equal to limit as x tends to a, log of x minus a upon log of a raised to x minus a raised to a, which is infinity upon infinity form. So use L'Hospital rule. By L'Hospital rule, we'll get 1 upon x minus a. To derivative of x minus a is 1. 1 upon a raised to x minus a raised to a into a raised to x log a. Derivative of this. A raised to a derivative 0. Limit as x tends to a. So limit as x tends to a, you will get this. Now, which is nothing but a put limit as x tends to a. So here is 0 upon 0 form. So once you convert it into 0 upon 0 form, directly write down the derivative of this. Right? So 1 upon x minus a as it is. So limit as x tends to a raised to x log a upon x minus a into log a. This 1 upon x minus a is outside, a raised to x minus a raised to a is in the numerator, a raised to x, a raised to a derivative is 0. So x minus a log a into a raised to x log a raised to x into log a plus a raised to x log a into 1. The limit as x tends to a. So a raised to a into log a raised to a into log a cancel out. A raised to a into log a cancel out. X tends to a. Here is 0 and a log a. So a raised to a log a upon a raised to a log a, you will get 1. Okay. Now, let's see limit as n tending to infinity. 1 raised 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square. So L is equal to limit as extends to infinity. Here is n tends to infinity. So n into, we know that this is nothing but sum of the squares of n consecutive numbers is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. Right? So 6 upon n cube you will get. Hmm? Put limit as n tending to infinity. As n tending to infinity, take n cube common. Hmm? So we will get n into 1 by 6 outside. So limit as n tending to infinity, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon n cube. So 1 by 6 into limit as n tending to infinity. Take n cube common. We will get n into n into 1 plus 1 by n. Hmm? Into n into 2 plus 1 by n upon n cube. So n cube get cancelled out. So you will get 1 by 6. Limit as n tending to infinity. 1 plus 1 by n into 2 plus 1 by n, which is equal to limit as n tending to infinity here is 1 plus 0 into 2 plus 0. So 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. Clear? No. Evaluate the limit as cot x minus 1 by x. Evaluate the limit as cot x minus 1 by x upon x. So let's start. Limit as x tends to 0. So we will get cot x, it means cos x upon sin x minus 1 by x upon x. Cos 0, 1, 1 upon 1 upon 0. So 1 minus infinity minus infinity. So infinity, 0 upon 0 form. Right? We will get 0 upon 0 form. So use L'Hospital rule. Use L'Hospital rule. So limit as n tending to infinity. Here x tends to 0. Sorry. Limit as x tends to 0. Cot x is cos x upon sin x minus 1 by x upon x. Limit as x tends to 0. X cos x minus sin x upon x square into sin x. Right? So we can take limit as x tends to infinity. X tends to 0, not infinity, sorry. Cos x minus sin x upon x. The same x. So we are also dividing here. X square into bracket sin x upon x. Multiply and divide by x. So this is nothing but cos x. Limit as x tends to 0. Cos x minus 1 upon x square. So by L'Hospital rule, so limit as x tends to 0 minus sin 2x or minus sin x upon 2x. So which is equal to minus 1 by 2, limit as x tends to 0, sin x upon x is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 1, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 into 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, now let's see. Sin inverse of x minus x upon x cube. So limit as x tends to 0. Here you will get sine inverse of x upon x. Now as x tends to 0, so you will get here 0 upon 0 form, right? So sine inverse of 0 is 0. So 0 upon 0 form you will get. So sine inverse of x is equal to, we can use the series expansion. It is x plus x cubed by 6 plus 3 by 40 x raised to 5 plus and so on. Limit as x tends to 0, x plus x cubed by 6 plus 3 by 40 into x raised to 5 plus and so on minus x upon x cube. Limit as x tends to 0, you will get 1 upon x cube, 1 upon 6x cube plus 3 by 40 x raised to 5 and divide the terms of x which is power greater than 5 upon divide terms of x with power greater than 5 upon x cube, right? So limit as x tends to 0, you will get 1 by 6 plus 3 by 40 x square plus terms containing x which is equal to 1 by 6 plus 0 plus 0 which is equal to 1 by 6, right? We will get it here 1 by 6. No. Next here you will see x raised to 4 minus 16 upon x raised to 2 minus 5x minus 6 plus 6 is equal to. We can calculate here x raised to 4 minus 16. So we can write here limit as x tends to 2. So limit as x tends to 2, it means 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is 16. 16 upon 16 minus 16 upon this 2 raised to 4, 4 and 0 upon 0 form, right? 0 upon 0 form. So use a hospital rule. Use a hospital rule. You will get limit as x tends to 2, 4x cube minus 4x cube only upon 2x minus 5. Again use here limit as x tends to 2. So x tends to 2. 2 cube is 8. Right? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 into 4, 32 upon x is equal to 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 5 minus 1. So minus 32. C is the correct option. Okay. Now limit as x tends to 2. We can see here limit as x tends to 2. Here a limit as extends to 2. Put 2 raised to 7. 2 raised to 7. It means 2 twos are 4. 2 raised to 7. We can take here common. Limit as extends to 2. 2 raised to 7 plus 128. So can I write 128 as 2 raised to 6? 2 raised to 5 is 32. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64 and 64 to the 128. So can I write this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 raised to 7. Again, here is 2 raised to 7 is 228 upon 2 raised to 3 plus here is 8, it means we can write 2 raised to 3. So take 2 raised to 7 common. So 1 plus 1 upon 2 raised to 3 common. So 1 plus 1. So here is 2 raised to 8 upon 2 raised to 4. So 2 raised to 4 cancel out. 2 raised to 4 into 2 upon we will get only 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 1. 2 raised to 8 upon 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is 16 upon 3. We can't do like this. So 2 raised to 4. X cube plus 8. 2 to 4, 4 to the 8. 8 to the 16. Actually 16 is the correct answer. These are 3. 2, 3, 7. The answer is given 112 by 3. So we are not getting it. Let's see the next question. Limit as extends to 3. So 3 square is 9. 9 minus 33 plus 24. 9 minus 33 plus 24. So 1 upon 0 plus 1 upon 0. 3 square is 9 minus 3. So 1 upon 0, 1 upon 0. So infinity plus infinity form. So we will see here limit as extends to 3. Limit as extends to 3. So the common factor for this is 1 upon x square minus 11x plus 24 minus x square minus 11x. So we'll find out the factors for this. X square minus 8x minus 3x plus 24. So x into bracket x minus 8 minus 3 into bracket x minus 8. So x minus 8 into x minus 3. So we can write here x minus 8 into x minus 3 plus 1 upon x square minus 6x. So you will get x square minus 6x minus 2 minus 3 plus 2. So x plus 3. See, x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. So x into bracket x minus 3 plus 2 into bracket x minus 3. So x plus 2 into x minus 3 is the common factor, right? So you will get x minus 2. So limit as x tends to 3, x plus 2 into x minus 3 plus x minus 8 into x minus 3. So x minus 3 into x minus 8 into x plus 2, right? So you will get make the denominator same here. X minus 3 is here, x minus 3 is here. If I multiply this by x plus 2 and if I multiply this by x minus 8, so the denominator is x plus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 8. So we will get 2x minus 6 upon x plus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 8, right? So limit as x tends to 3. So from above, limit as x tends to 3, limit as x tends to 3, take 2 common. So you will get from here 2 common, 2 into bracket x minus 3, 2 into bracket x minus 3 upon denominator is x plus 2, x minus 3, x minus 8. X plus 2, x minus 3, x minus 8, right? So x minus 3, x minus 3 cancel out. So put limit as x tends to 3. So limit as x tends to 3, it means here you will get limit as x tends to 3, 2 upon 3 plus 2, 5, 3 minus 2, sorry 3 minus 8, minus 5. So 2 upon minus 25, 2 upon minus 25. So A is the correct option. Okay. Now limit root tends to, limit as x tends to 5. So 5 plus 4 minus 3. So 5 plus 4, 9 minus 3, root 6 upon 15 minus 11, 4 minus 2, root 2, root 6 upon root 2. Something is wrong. Let's check here. X plus root 3. Root of, it is not correct question. Here is root of, the correct question is root of x plus 4 minus 3, root of 3x plus minus 11 minus 2. So x tends to 5. So 5 plus 2, 5 plus 4. Root 3 is root 9. Root 9 minus 3, 0. 0 upon 0 form. So x is equal to 5, 15 minus 11. So the correct option is 0. taking the square root option. So square root of this limit of square. So somewhere is wrong. Options are also wrong, I thought. Okay. Root of 3x is 0. You are getting the option is 0 here. 0 upon 15 minus 11. So 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 0 upon root 2 is 0. This is wrong question. So limit as x tends to pi by 3 tan square x minus 3 upon sec square x minus 8. So you will get tan square x minus 3 upon sec square x minus 8. Pi by 3. Pi by 3 means for 0 upon 0 form. Tan pi by 3. Tan 60 root 3. Root 3 square. 3. 3 minus 3 0. Here is cube. Sec square x is 1 plus tan square x. X cube x. Okay, here we can write sec cube x. It means limit as x tends to pi by 3 tan square x minus 3 upon sec x into bracket sec square x minus 8. So sec square x it means what? 1 minus tan square x. Sorry, 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x somewhere we have to do the substitution. And write tan square x as 1 minus x square x minus 1. So you get sec square x minus 1 minus 3. Right. So you get sec square x sec cube x minus 8. So limit as x tends to pi by 3 is sec square x minus 4 upon. So take sec x only common. I think here is sec square x minus 8. Then only it will be possible. We will take sec square x minus 8. So sec square x minus 8. Tan square x plus 1. 1 minus tan square x is tan square x minus x. It is x square x plus 1. So here you will get minus 2. x square x minus 2 pi by 3 allowed, you will get here 1 by 4. Correct option is 1 by 4. 5 sin x minus x cos x upon 5 tan x to tan x minus 3x square x minus 3x square. So take sin x, 5 sin x minus x cos x. It as x tends to 0. Sin 0, 0, this will 0. Tan 0, 0, this is 0. So 0 upon 0 form. Well, hospital rule. 5 cos x minus first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. 1 2 tan x plus x square x minus 6x. It as x tends to 0. So 5 cos x cos 0 0 1 5 minus, here x is 0, so this will become 0. Here cos 0 is 1. 1 upon 2 x square 0. 1 upon cos square 0. So 2. So here 5 minus 1 4. 4 by 2 it means 2. Okay, 2 is the correct option. So 3 cos x upon cos 3x upon 2x minus pi cube is equal to, so extreme it as x tends to pi by 2 cos 90 0. So this will become 0. Here cos, so 0 upon 0 form. Pi by 2, 0 upon 0 form, well hospital rule. We will get cos minus 3 sin x minus 3 sin 3x upon 3 into 2x minus pi bracket square into 2. It as x tends to pi by 2, pi minus pi cancel out. So again 0 upon 0 form. Minus 3 cos x minus 3 minus 9 cos 3x 6 into 2x minus pi to 2, so 12. Limit as x tends to pi by 2 minus pi 0. Pi by 2 cos 90 0 cos 90 0. 1 second here. Sin 90 is 1. So 3 minus 3 minus 3. And then pi 0. So minus 3 upon, here 2 pi by 2 0. Correct option. Minus 1 by 2 is the correct option. Into x. Okay, let's see. So 0 cos 90 0, 0 upon 0. So minus plus 3 sin x minus plus 27 sin 3x. There is only 12 into 2, 24. 3 by 24. 1 by 8. So 1 by 4. the correct option. Okay. I hope you are getting it clearly, science square x. So similar type of example we can solve it here by using L'Hospital rule. Okay, so you will get the correct option here. If you are liking my videos, please do like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon, okay, for the further notification. Thank you so much. And also join our Telegram group for the latest updates on our upcoming videos. Thank you so much.